Hello and welcome back to another installment of As Told by Brittany D. And of course, I am Brittany D, and we are back with another lock tutorial. So yes, it's about that time for my entire family to get their hair retwist. So we are going to start with the lock-in gel. You guys have been asking what I have been using to retwist and style my family's locks, and that's it. That's all I've been using. I love this product because it holds and there is no dry time, and that works great with my children's schedule because they just have jobs and have things to do, and that's why they can't sit under the dryer for 15 minutes, and they got things to do. So we're going to start off by reparting my husband's locks. So yes, I am doing my husband's hair right now, and we are reparting. Now this is optional, but I prefer to repart the hair because it makes the style look a little bit more fresh and so clean, yeah. No, I'm too hype. Okay, so yeah, we're doing some more reparting. This is the most time consuming part of the entire style, is reparting the hair, because you know how Instagram folks is. They like to read you for filth if your parts are crooked, so I'm trying my best. This is the easiest part. We're going to retwist and palm roll the locks and just flip it over. Bam, you see that? No clips. We will not be using any clips. I want to show you guys how well this product holds. Because my husband is going through the frizzy stage of his locks, what I am doing is taking some of the frizzy hair and just wrapping it at the base of the locks just to give it a more clean look. It's not going to get rid of all the frizz, but it's going to help reduce some of it. So that's a little tip if you guys are going through the teenage frizzy stage of your starter lock, of your lock journey, I should say, because he officially has locks. But that is something I have learned during my research on locks. I've also used this technique on my son's locks as well, and it does help reduce some of that frizz. So, just my little two cents. Excuse my son if you hear him in the back. His daddy's home, and you guys know boys will be boys, and they're out there roughhousing. But we're going to go ahead and continue to retwist these locks. Now I will be combining two locks together. My husband has straight hair in the back. He's having a harder time locking, and also that lock was pretty scrawny, and we both decided that it served no purpose, so we need to go ahead and combine it. I used the same technique for the loose hairs. I just took that lock and kind of just wrapped it around and did a few palm rolls just to help it blend together. We are done with one side, so let's work on the next. The style that we will be creating, I have seen all over the internet. Not particularly this style, but I have seen this lock roll all over the place, and so I wanted to try it out on my husband. We're going to start off by sectioning the locks into threes. And I did do one of the rolls off camera just to save time, and also to make sure I knew what I was doing before I sat here and recorded a video. So first thing we have to do is grab these two locks to create the secure locks. You guys know what the secure locks, the locks that really just don't move, those will be the secure locks. So we're taking these two and we're just going to twist them around one another, and we're just going to hold them. Just like a 2-strand twist, just hold them in place. Then we're going to take a lock from either side, doesn't matter. I just picked up any lock, and I'm going to take that one and wrap it over the secure locks and placing it right underneath. Grabbing the lock from the other side, I'm going to begin to unravel, retwist, and then place it over the secure locks. As you guys can see, just placing it right over those secure locks, just like so, boom, and then holding it in place right underneath. That is it. And we're just going to keep doing this step over and over and over again until we reach our what? Our end point.
So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under.
So we've made it to our end point. Now it's time to make sure that all the locks will be secure. Now this is where you start barrel rolling the locks. So there are about 3 locks left, and what I am doing is doing the same thing that I was doing before, except I am taking the lock all the way over, creating a barrel roll.
Waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
And then you could just grab a rubber band and secure the locks in place. Simple. Boom, boom, boom. We did that. I want to make sure that you guys have a better understanding on how to create this style. So we're just gonna do it again. You want to start off with those 2 locks, and again you want to create the secure lock. Take a lock, wrap it over the secure locks, hold it underneath. Again, take a lock, retwist it, take it over the secure locks, hold it underneath, boom, you're done. One more time now, boom, a take a lock, wrap it over, what, a hold it underneath, a yes, that's it. We're gonna keep repeating those steps until you meet your end point. Now we have reached our end point, so we're going to secure it with a rubber band, and boom, you're done, son. You're done. All right, look at that. Ow, ooh, woo, yes. Fire, yes. Another one. But that completes the style. I hope you guys love it. Now we're going to begin to, do a little extra. We're going to treat the hair, put some oil in it, get it all nice and silky smooth, make them a little fresh, put some mousse in it. Y'all guys know all about the mousse. We got to make sure this style lasts, My husband's locks are frizzy, so we're trying to make sure it lasts, okay? So I'm going to add some mousse. He got to give himself a haircut. Like, it's the whole process. So we're going to go ahead and finish that, and boom, there we go. There he is. Yes, a fresh cut, fresh locks. That boy is fresh. Hey. Yes, but yeah, I'm loving this style, and I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial. If you guys are interested in more lock tutorials, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you guys are interested in a certain style, just leave a comment below and I'll be sure to get those styles out. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, all that stuff. And baby boy got a tutorial coming soon. But until next time, until we meet again, until we're back on YouTube or watching another crazy video of mine, bye bye.